Have you ever dreamed of soaring over a paradise where crystal clear waters, towering limestone cliffs, and untouched jungles meet? Welcome to Palawan, the crown jewel of the Philippines, a place so breathtaking that it has been hailed as one of the most beautiful islands in the world. Today, we're taking you on a mesmerizing aerial journey, revealing Palawan like you've never seen it before. From the sky, from hidden lagoons to secluded white sand beaches, this is a must-see adventure. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible drone explorations from around the world. First stop, El Nido, a tropical paradise known for its breathtaking seascapes. Imagine kayaking through secret lagoons, snorkeling with vibrant marine life, or simply relaxing on powdery white beaches. El Nido isn't just a destination, it's an experience. But nothing compares to seeing El Nido from above. Just look at this bird's eye view, nature's artistry at its finest. Next, we head to Coron, where adventure and history collide. Beneath these serene waters lie sunken Japanese shipwrecks from World War II, making it one of the world's best diving spots. But even if you don't dive, Coron's landscapes are pure magic from above. It's almost unreal, like stepping into a dream. What's your favorite place in Coron? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's fly over one of the new 7 wonders of nature, the Puerto Princesa underground river. This incredible cave system stretches over 8 kilometers and flows directly into the sea. From above, the landscape looks otherworldly, with towering limestone cliffs protecting this hidden treasure. Would you dare to explore its depths? Drop a comment if this is on your travel bucket list. And finally, a true hidden paradise, Balabac. Known for its untouched beaches and stunning sandbars, Balabac is the definition of a tropical escape. Look at these waters. It's no wonder people call it the Maldives of the Philippines. Palawan is truly a masterpiece of nature, a place where the land, sea, and sky create an unforgettable paradise. Whether you're an adventurer, a beach lover, or someone who simply appreciates the wonders of the world, this island should be on your must-visit list. If you enjoyed this aerial journey, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more breathtaking drone adventures. Which part of Palawan amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next adventure.